Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of YouTube and celebrating some of the absolute best creators out there. It's amazing how much talent and passion you can find on this platform, right? From insightful reviews that help you pick your next binge watch to deep dives into cinematic universes, there are channels that truly elevate our movie and TV experiences. These creators aren't just sharing opinions. They're building communities, sparking conversations, and reminding us why we fell in love with storytelling in the first place. They offer fresh perspectives, uncover hidden gems, and make us see our favorite films and shows in a whole new light. It's a fantastic way to connect with fellow enthusiasts and discover content you might have otherwise missed. I'm so grateful for the dedication these YouTubers put into their work, enriching our entertainment lives. If you have a favorite movie or TV YouTube channel that you think deserves a shout out, please share it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this chat, consider following for more content like this. Thanks for watching.